everyone, this is Robin. I am here with Evil Client and we are going to do planters. What? Help me.
What?
Flower pots.
Flower pots.
Yes, planter flower pots. So I have the nails painted French pink with a teal, but you can make your flower pots any color. I'm going across the top with acrylic paints in the lighter version of this color. I had it, but you can like if you have a darker blue and then you have a color that's similar in acrylic paints, just use what colors you have. And then I'm going to add a little bit of lighter white to it to lighten it up, and then go along the edge of the pot and just decorate it a little bit. Now, I'm just decorating like this to start off, but I don't know how I'm going to finish it. I'm just giving you the overall experience. So now with the green, I think I'm going to put the flowers in first. So I'm going to make some real bright red. So I have some neon pink and some red, and I'm just going to mix those. That makes a beautiful, brilliant, vibrant neon red that's not unsimilar to Cherries in the Snow by L'Oreal, one of my favorite colors. So I'm going to use that bright red and do some flowers in red and yellow, maybe some white ones, I don't know. And I might just do a few, because less is more really with this. It'll translate real nice. And see how this is a real big flower? You don't want to have too many big ones, just a few. But what you can do is with yellow, go around and just dot some little flowers in like this. This will make all the difference when you start putting in the stems. What you really want to be aware of though is to keep your paint as thin as possible. Was that me? Sorry. Meet you back. Evil Client and I are talking about internal monologues. So as you guys know, that is a big thing on the internet right now, internal monologues. And so I want to say this right now. Yes, I have an internal monologue. Evil Client?
Yes, I have an internal monologue.
And we express our internal monologues at length every 2 weeks. Now, I'm going to do this question to every single one of my clients because I am blown away that some people don't have a voice in their head that directs everything, because I do. So you guys look up external monologues or internal monologue, because it's really cool. Okay,
and it'll kind of freak you out.
Yeah, it did. It freaked me out big time. So anyways, okay, so I went back in and I'm going through and I'm making a little pot out of each one. And this is the one I kept naked for you guys. With a little bit of brown, green, and black, I made a dark little thing. It's very, very thin. I'm doing very thin lines, followed with a little leaf here and there. But very thin. See, just dot through, dot, dot, dot. And that gives the illusion that they're on there and they don't have to translate as each leaf. Those are a little darker than my other leaves, but it's okay. Let's see, one more. I'm gonna go line through. Oops. Let's try that again. Shall we? Great, sure. I did it on film. So I dot and then pull. Dot, pull the finger, dot, turn the finger, dot, turn the finger, dot, turn the finger, and doot, and doot. Now, I was thinking that I wanted to decorate these a little bit. So maybe like just a little dots like this, just like so they look maybe decorated, and not too much though, because these are so cute. So I know I want to do a yellow dot in the middle of that flower just to pop it. And then maybe where some of these are a little bit too thin of paint, I'll just go back over and do a little bit more dot daisy-ish. Then go in and dot around the top of these, and then I'll meet you back. See what they look like. Okay, and here is the end result. And let me put some lights on this. Now, how fresh and fun is that for spring? I think I'm going to edit this one first, Evil Client, because this makes me want to paint this season. And you know, looking at it right now, I think it would be so cute if you guys put a few white little butterflies in there. That would be so cute. Look at,
yeah, that would be cute.
Look at those. Do you love those?
Yeah, those are
Oh
cute.
my gosh, I do. I love them. So you guys, please, if you try these, say inspired by Robin Moses, hashtag me so I can see them. Get brushes and support my channel. I got a new brush out. I actually gave my other brush away. So, and I went in this morning and I'm like, what? I don't have a brush. Oh no. So I went and got one because I can. And so this is the one I do all of my nail art videos with. And then I have a striping brush as well for stripes, and I'm probably going to do a lot of stripes this summer because I am feeling the stripes. So anyways, you guys, have fun, and I'll see you back with more. Bye!
Bye.